Before it reaches your sandwich or salad, every spoonful of mayonnaise begins with the simplest ingredients: eggs, oil, and vinegar. From fresh farms to high-tech factories, this creamy condiment is created with precision, science, and speed. Today, we'll step inside one of the world's most advanced mayonnaise production plants and discover how millions of jars are made every day. The journey begins with fresh eggs. Collected daily from trusted farms, each egg is carefully inspected before entering the processing line. These eggs provide the rich texture and emulsifying power that gives mayonnaise its signature creaminess. Inside the factory, the eggs are washed, sanitized, and broken open by automated machines that can process thousands every hour. Only the yolks are used for classic mayonnaise. The yolks pass through a heat exchanger for pasteurization, a crucial step that eliminates bacteria and ensures food safety. Once pasteurized, the yolks are cooled and stored in chilled tanks, ready to be mixed with the other key ingredients: vegetable oil, vinegar, salt, sugar, and lemon juice. High-quality vegetable oil, often soybean, canola, or sunflower, forms nearly 70% of mayonnaise. It's filtered, tested for clarity and taste, and gently warmed to achieve the perfect consistency for blending. The precise ratio of oil to yolk is the heart of the recipe. Too much oil and it separates. Too little, and it won't thicken properly. Now comes the most critical stage: emulsification, where liquid ingredients merge into a stable, creamy texture. Powerful high-shear mixers spin at thousands of revolutions per minute. The yolks act as natural emulsifiers, allowing the oil and vinegar to blend seamlessly. Slowly, the once separated liquids transform into a smooth, glossy mayonnaise. Before packaging, flavor and stability are fine-tuned. Salt, sugar, and lemon juice are added in precise amounts. Every batch is tested for pH, color, taste, and thickness. Factory technicians ensure that each spoonful of mayonnaise tastes exactly the same, whether it's made today, next week, or a year from now. Once approved, the creamy mayonnaise flows through stainless steel pipes into the filling line. Automated nozzles fill hundreds of jars per minute, each one carefully weighed to exact standards. Lids are sealed airtight, labels applied, and the finished jars are passed through metal detectors for final safety checks. The packaged jars are then packed into boxes and moved to temperature-controlled warehouses. From here, trucks distribute them to grocery stores, fast food chains, and kitchens around the world. From farm-fresh eggs to high-speed machines, the journey of mayonnaise is a perfect blend of nature and technology. Each jar carries the flavor of precision, made by machines but perfected by science. This is Built by Machines, where we explore how the world's favorite foods are made. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible factory stories.